Canadians are leaving billions of dollars on the table every year, whether it's the Canada Child Benefit, the GST and HST Credit, Old Age Security, Guaranteed Income Supplement, and even the Canada Carbon Rebate. These things are only available to people who filed their taxes, and as many as 12% of eligible Canadians simply don't file their taxes every year. Don't be one of these people. You don't have to be. In this video, I'm going to show you just how much money you could be missing out on by not filing your taxes. Hi, I'm Evan Neufeld, a CFP professional, and today I'm going to tell you exactly why you should be filing your taxes every year, even if you don't have any income. The government wants to give you money, at least a bunch of your money back. But these benefits are either processed through the tax system or they're provided based on how much income you have. We call that an income-tested benefit. Either way, to claim the benefits or the credits, you have to file your taxes every year, even if you don't have any income. So if you're a student or you're unemployed, you can still file and get these benefits. So let's go over some of those benefits that you could be missing out on. The Canada Child Benefit. So this one is available to you if you have kids under the age of 18. You can receive over $7,000 per year per child, depending on their age and your income. This payment is tax-free to you. So check out this other video for a 3-minute summary of how to calculate your own potential benefit from the Canada Child Benefit Program. The second one is the GST or HST Credit. So for the payment period of July of 2023 to June of 2024, you could get up to $496 if you're single, $650 if you're married or have a common law partner, and $171 for each child under the age of 19. This credit is available for people with family incomes below a certain threshold, but many Canadians will still qualify for it. So you will be automatically eligible for this credit by, you guessed it, filing your taxes. And CRA will evaluate whether you qualify based on your income. This is one of the rare refundable tax credits, which means you don't actually have to have any income taxes owing or paid throughout the year to receive this credit. If you're unfamiliar with tax credits or deductions or any of these things related to Canadian tax, you can check out this video over here for a brief refresher. The next benefit that you could receive by filing your tax return is old age security. If you are over the age of 65, you can qualify to receive old age security, or sometimes we call it OAS. It is an income-tested benefit as well, but the threshold is quite high. The specifics for qualifying are a little bit more complicated, but if you lived in Canada for at least 40 years after the age of 18, and your income is below approximately $87,000 at the time of this recording, you will be eligible to receive the full amount of OAS. Again, you have to be over the age of 65. Currently, the monthly payment for Canadians between 65 and 74 is $713.34 per month. And for Canadians 75 and older, it's $784.67 per month. This amount goes up with inflation every quarter, so by the time you watch this, it might actually be higher than what I've already said. This amount is taxable income to you just like employment income, Canada pension plans, or withdrawals from your RSPs or RIFs. There are many more details that we could go into regarding OAS, so let me know in the comments below if you'd like to see another video with some more details on that. Guaranteed Income Supplement is another benefit you could receive by filing your taxes. So if you are again over ages 65 and receiving old age security, you could be eligible for GIS or the Guaranteed Income Supplement. This is provided to people who have particularly low income, which you prove by filing your taxes. And this is a much more complicated calculation again, but if you are married or common law and have a combined income less than $28,560, you could each receive up to $641.35 per month. And unlike OAS, this amount is actually tax-free to you. The Canada Carbon Rebate, which received a fancy name change from the previous Climate Action Incentive Payment, is available to you if you file your taxes. Anything that involves the carbon tax or whatever you or the government currently wants to call it seems to be pretty politically charged, and so I'm not going to get into that or discuss anything related to the politics or the benefits of it beyond just the details. But this is a quarterly benefit paid to you tax-free. It all depends on what province you live in and your family situation, but this is likely to be in the range of a couple $100s each quarter for a typical 2 parents, 2 kids household. Finally, you should file your taxes because you could simply just get a refund of taxes you've already paid through work or any other withholding tax you might have paid. If you don't know what withholding tax is, check out this video for a brief explanation of all the different places that you'll run into withholding tax. So far for the 2023 tax filing season here in 2024, over 9 million people have filed their taxes and 5.5 million of those people are entitled to a refund. For those people, over $11.8 billion in tax refunds have already been paid and the tax filing deadline isn't even here yet. If you're interested in getting some of your tax money back or getting some additional benefits from the government, filing your taxes is the easiest thing that you can do today. If this was helpful for you, click on the like button below and consider subscribing as well to see more content just like this. If you're into audio podcasts, you can check out my podcast, The Canadian Money Roadmap, wherever you listen to podcasts, either on Apple Podcasts, Spotify, or any other app. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you on another video.